With a very controversial statement that is now coming from the Maharashtra Congress leader Vijay Wadattiwar, who claims that the IPS officer Hemant Karkare was martyred by an RSS-backed cop and not by Pakistani terrorist Ajmal Kasab during 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. This statement has now sparked off a mega political war of words that has now been taking place, with Wadattiwar in his statement also attacking the BJP, claiming that the lawyer, then the public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam, who is currently now contesting on a BJP Lok Sabha ticket from Mumbai North Central constituency, allegedly suppressed the evidence during the court trial to protect the accused. Wadattiwar stated that the BJP gave a poll ticket to a traitor. Not just this, the Congress Neta defended his statement, saying that whatever he's saying is not out of thin air, but it is written in a book to which he has been substantiating his statement to.
हेमंत करकरे साहेबांचा ती गोळी कसाबच्या बंदुकीतली नव्हती, कुठल्या अतिरेक्यातली नव्हती, तर ती गोळी एका पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांची होती, आरएसएस समर्पित. त्यावेळेस ते पुरावे लपवणारा देशद्रोही कोण असेल तर तो उज्ज्वल निकम आहे. आणि अशा देशद्रोहाला जर तिकीट भारतीय जनता पक्ष देत असेल तर मात्र हे देशद्रोह्यांना पाठीशी घालणारा पक्ष आहे का, हा प्रश्न येतो.
उज्ज्वल निकम के बारे में वो एसएम मुशर्रफ साहब ने जो किताब लिखी है उसी का दाखला देकर मैंने बात की थी, और वो सत्य है. उन्होंने किताब में लिखा है, किताब पे बंदी नहीं है, और उसमें स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है कि हेमंत करकरे का खून ये अतिरेकी के बंदूक से नहीं हुआ है, और इन्वेस्टिगेशन में ये सामने आया है. फिर ये बाजू कोर्ट के सामने क्यों नहीं रखी, ये ऐसे मुस्लिम ने रखा है. वही बात उसी का दाखला देकर मैंने कहा है. अगर इस बारे में उनको कुछ खुलासा करना है तो वो करे, सत्य बताए.
Now, the remarks of the Congress leader Vijay Wadattiwar has given fresh ammo to the BJP, which has escalated its attack on the Congress-Pakistan link. The BJP workers in Maharashtra jumped to the streets to protest against Rahul Gandhi in Congress, and BJP workers chanted "Congress ka haath Pakistan ke saath" as their netas are giving clean chit to Pakistan and its terrorists. BJP claimed that the Ashok Chakra awardee Hemant Karkare, who laid his down life before battling Pakistani terrorists, was mocked and insulted by the Congress just to appease one community.
बंधू भगिनींनो, यांची अवस्था काय आहे? पाकिस्तानात जाऊन मत मागतात. अरे आम्ही उज्ज्वल निकम यांच्यासारख्या देशभक्ताला त्या ठिकाणी सीट दिली, तर हे काँग्रेस राष्ट्रवादीचे नेते, विरोधी पक्ष नेते त्या ठिकाणी म्हणतात उज्ज्वल निकम यांनी अजमल कसाबची बदनामी केली. आता यांना चिंता कोणाची आहे? अजमल कसाबच्या बदनामीची. ज्या अजमल कसाबने मुंबईमध्ये येऊन बॉम्बस्फोट केले, त्या अजमल कसाबची यांना चिंता आहे. अरे महायुती उज्ज्वल निकमांच्या मागे आहे आणि ही महाविकास आघाडी अजमल कसाबच्या मागे आहे. तुम्हाला निर्णय करायचा आहे, कोणाच्या पाठीशी आपल्याला उभं राहायचं आहे.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के सबसे वरिष्ठ नेता महाराष्ट्र में जो लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन है विजय वड़त्तीवार, वो पाकिस्तान को 26/11 पर क्लीन चिट दे देते हैं. कहते हैं कि शहीद हेमंत करकरे की हत्या पाकिस्तान के आतंकियों ने नहीं, अजमल कसाब जैसे आतंकियों ने नहीं, बल्कि हिंदुओं ने ही की है. और इसको छिपाने का काम उज्ज्वल निकम, वही उज्ज्वल निकम जो आज तो बीजेपी एनडीए के प्रत्याशी है, परंतु एक वकील के रूप में अजमल कसाब को तख्ते पर लटकाने के लिए जिन्होंने प्रयास किया और जिन्होंने सफलता पाई, जिन्होंने राष्ट्रहित के लिए अपनी वकालत के माध्यम से आतंकियों को और पाकिस्तान प्रायोजित आतंकवाद को फांसी के तख्ते पर पहुंचाया, उस उज्ज्वल निकम को देशद्रोही कहते हैं.
So why are they trying to appease Pakistan and blame one community? As a country, we must stand together. When there is a terror attack on Indian soil, this should not lead to appeasement. This should not lead to division based on religion. We should speak in one voice. It's extremely shameful. I am ashamed that, as an Indian, that a responsible leader from an opposition party is making this statement for the second time from the same party and giving a clean chit to Pakistan. Very, very unfortunate.
While even BJP's Mumbai North Central candidate and the then Mumbai 26/11 terror attack public prosecutor Ujjwal Nikam, speaking exclusively to Times Now, slammed the charges of the Congress leader and asked him to prove those charges, those allegations that are now being levelled by Vijay Wadattiwar.
क्या आप इतने बेबुनियाद आरोप लगा रहे हैं सिर्फ सियासी के लिए? राजनीति में इस तरह के गंदगी और गंदे आरोप करना यानी आप पाकिस्तान को मदद कर रहे हैं। देखिए, जो अजमल कसाब ने खुद के इकबाली बयान में कह दिया है कि जैसे ही कामा हॉस्पिटल के बाहर हम आए, पुलिस की जीप दिखी, हमने गोलीबार किया। 3 पुलिस ऑफिसर गणवेश में थे, यूनिफॉर्म में थे, वो मर चुके थे।
Abhishek Awasthi is with us right now. Abhishek, as far as the basic understanding is concerned, on the very basis of which Vijay Vadattiyar made that statement, he seems to be standing by it, staying defiant, saying that there is a book that he seems to be referring to before he made that statement.
Definitely, now another bite has come where he is giving clarification or most probably the defense to the statement he made. And now he says that I have made that statement on the basis of the book written by S.M. Mushrif, which clearly points out that, this part where, Hemant Karkare was shot not by a bullet from Kasab or any terrorist, rather he was shot by a bullet from a RSS affiliated police official has been mentioned. And why this was not brought before the court is something that Ujjwal Nikam should answer. This is the level of defense that he is playing at this given point of time after raising these serious allegations. But timing needs to be understood. Lok Sabha polls are going on, and this kind of statement being made by the leader, and importantly, this is being made after Ujjwal Nikam being nominated by the BJP. He has filled up his form, he is doing campaigning, and just to target, because the opposition candidate is of a Congress candidate, Varsha Gaikwad, is a Mumbai Congress chief from the North Central constituency. At the same time, you also heard what Ujjwal Nikam said. He clearly pointed out that everything was proven well in the court of law, where he argued also, and he also challenged the Congress party that you need to prove whether I belong to or whether I was affiliated with the RSS then. Though today I have joined as a political candidate for the BJP and I am now associated with the BJP and RSS, but you cannot question me when I was arguing as a public prosecutor for this important case where he led to the death penalty of Ajmal Kasab, who was the prime accused in this entire case, and now his contribution, he is being questioned as an anti-national by the Congress. So definitely we see allegations being leveled by the opposition leader against Ujjwal Nikam, and at the same time politics around 2611.
Dismissing those allegations, rather challenging Vijay Vadattiyar to prove his statement that he seems to be making against Ujjwal Nikam, calling him a traitor. Please to stay on with us, Abhishek, because when the same question was put forth, their alliance partner in the MVA, Uddhav Thackeray faction, Sanjay Raut, this is how he reacted when he was confronted on what he has to say on his alliance partner's statement.
विपक्ष के नेता वडत्तीवार कह रहे हैं कि हेमंत करकरे को कसाब ने नहीं आरएसएस के ऑफिस में बटन दाबून ठाकरे गटाचा टांगा.
He deflected the question right away, not answering. But when it comes to the issue, this is how the BJP is raising it. Union Minister Piyush Goyal, who himself is on a political campaign there, he has condemned the charges, saying that it is the Congress which has always backed terrorists, it has always backed Pakistan.
विजय वडेट्टीवार ने कहा है कि उज्जवल निकम को इसलिए सीट दी गई है क्योंकि उन्होंने हेमंत करकरे पर गोली चलाने वाले आरएसएस पुलिसकर्मी को बचाया.
कौन विजय वडेट्टीवार के ऊपर कौन विश्वास करता है? द जेंटलमैन नेशनल इंटरेस्ट, देशद्रोही का काम है अगर कोई इस प्रकार का रिमार्क करे. मुझे लगता है कि उज्जवल निकम जी ने जो कसब को फांसी दिलवाई वो वास्तव में एक देशभक्त के रूप में उन्होंने बहुत सारे सूत्रों को इकट्ठा करके और कोर्ट के सामने प्रूव किया कि कसब और उसके साथ जो पाकिस्तानी इंफिल्ट्रेटर्स थे वो गिल्टी थे. ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है कि वो टेररिस्ट के साथ खड़े रहते हैं, टेररिस्ट को बचाने में लगे रहते हैं. आपको दिल्ली का भी याद होगा, दिल्ली में भी उन्होंने शर्मा के ऊपर ऐसे ही बेबुनियाद आरोप लगाए जो बाद में गलत साबित हुए. कांग्रेस पार्टी देश की नहीं सोचती है, वो तुष्टीकरण के अलावा और कोई राजनीति समझती नहीं.
टेररिज्म को तो मत बढ़ाइए, टेररिस्टों को अपना तो मत समझिए, उन सारे परिवारों के बारे में सोचिए जो आज भी चीख रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने घर के किसी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट आदमी या औरत या अपने घर के सदस्य को खोया। 20 मई को इनको जवाब मिलेगा। यहां नहीं, पूरे देश में लोग इन टेररिस्टों के साथीदारों को जवाब देंगे।
Abhishek, that's the point that is now being made by the BJP. Prove those allegations. Even Ujjwal Nikam seems to be saying and not make such kind of a statements, and that too insulting a brave martyr like Hemant Karkare, and that too right in the middle of elections.
Definitely, and this is what we can understand in the middle of election, and they are making it as a poll pitch. But at the same time, is it right? Because we have seen the entire proceeding right from the trial court. It is reaching up to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court also, making a point that the death penalty given to Kasab. In fact, all the evidences were present before the court, right from the trial court to the Supreme Court, and in fact, David Coleman Headley also testified several important aspects regarding the same. In fact, what Ujjwal Nikam also said, that it was his own confession by Kasab that after he ran out of the Kama hospital, he fired the bullet, and he saw 3 officials who were shot dead at the same time. So these statements are there, everything is on record. But this kind of a statement just to gain to make a poll pitch and just for the appeasement of a certain political community, if this is being done, it is completely wrong. And
also protests on part of the BJP that has been taking place, suggesting and chanting that Congress का हाथ आतंकवादियों और पाकिस्तान के साथ। धन्यवाद आपका Abhishek for joining in. That's the kind of updates coming in. We have multiple reactions lined up. Back after a short break.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
The plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।